It's time to uncover about a place like no other. Are you ready to discover and remember this place forever? Start your journey to explore the extraordinary. Write your own story and be the witness of its beauty. The people are known for its hospitality because welcoming guests is part of their identity. Its tourism industry is ready to fulfill your itinerary. Let them take care of your necessity so you can relax and enjoy the activity. Taste the richness of its culinary that comes from the secret recipe and learn about their artistry through the hands that full with creativity. Fill your curiosity by finding the relics of their great history. From the beauty of its water alley, you can feel the tranquility. And at the top of the hill, when everything is revealed, it seems so real. It's clusters of islands lying in the middle of the blue ocean, and its wide sandy beach is so easy to reach. You can blend with the crowd or find a place to hide out. From the calmness of its sea, try riding a jet ski. And for those who brave, never miss the big waves. You know this place is spectacular. So come and invest in Aceh Besar, the life of Aceh. Wonderful Indonesia.